What is up, guys? So I got still got to go back. Look, I just did a preset. I'm gonna run some wire tracks or wire channels, and we'll conceal all that. We're just doing some rough fitting right now. Here I gotta go back and re-stick this one. I got some 3D printed brackets along with some wire channels that we're gonna go back and hit that. But we had to break off right here, and then we had to use an extension and run it back down, and we hit it. Show you that. It's working.
No?
Yeah. Appreciate you, Father. I'm putting these 3D printed clips on each light, and then I'm screwing them in along with the 3M adhesive to kind of give it more sturdiness, make it last longer, I'm hoping. And then I'm going where the wires are, I'm putting them in these tracks, taking this 3M off, and then I'm putting screws in it. So again, this is before I put the tracks on. Still got all that to go. So I'm putting the tracks on them now. Got to about right here.
Hey, you hear that?
And then I got the rest. Gotta do that. Gotta do that section. That section. In these sections, I gotta put these up in tracks. You know, hide the wires. So just starting from the beginning, we got an outlet installed. We ran tracks, the power, and then we got our lights. All the lights are in tracks, and they have 3D printed clips that we screw in and mount. It's hard to see. Now we get to the front of the house. More tracks. Power supply. Coming from the same system, it basically extends it, gives it more juice. Woo.
Sure, I can't.
We're gonna have one more run.
So one more strand's gonna take you all the way to the end.